Ensure professional tile installation with QEP's lippage control system, the LASH 360. LASH 360 is a two-part system that can be used with tile up to 3/4 inches thick. It's designed to prevent lippage by leveling your tile surface to avoid tripping hazards. The tile leveling caps are reusable caps designed to hold tile at an even height. They've been updated for improved grip and added comfort when tightening. The tile leveling stems provide an even 1/16 inch grout line and align neighboring tiles of the same thickness. We also recommend you use the QEP protection plate, which serves as a protective buffer between the tile and leveling system. Install LASH 360 in 3 easy steps. Place the stem under the tile and into the mortar. Place the protection plate and spin the reusable LASH 360 cap onto the stem. Once the mortar is cured, tap to remove stems at the breakoff point. Be sure to save the tile leveling caps and protection plates so they can be reused for future projects. The LASH 360 offers 4 sizes of large format stems. Save time while achieving professional results by using LASH 360 on your next installation.